call for this little freezer being at 17 degrees. That shows suction pressure, not temperature. That's our temperature. 1 degree, between 0 and 1. That was a good service call right there. Killing me. My condensate loop is the leaker. But wait, it's electric. Oh, even the electric ones spring a leak. What a bunch of junk. Huh? The field piece electronic leak detector will probably pick that up as a Freon leak. All right, kidding, all jokes aside.